finally continue. Hello everybody, my name is Whitey. Sorry, I'm hitting the record button, you know. It's different for us in Animal Company. So, you might be thinking, what am I doing today in Animal Company? Well, do you wanna get this marvelous, yes, marvelous backpack? The dragon! It is really good. And what the heck are you doing? Oh, they're the balloons! Guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to do my favorite invention. Crowbar slash flashlight slash hookshot. If you combine this,
what is that?
That's my invention.
Wait, you're a YouTuber? You're a YouTuber?
Yeah, I'm new to YouTube.
Well, I have something to show you.
Bro, what? Yeah.
Well, I found another invention that it's like a glitch instead of a invention.
Guys, we're gonna see. Oh my god. I just. Ooh! Guys.
Well, I'm making.
If you're looking for the ingredients of that stuff, teleporting dagger,
I'm just doing my little glitch. Where is stuff?
The trident brings me back. Yup. There we go. Came back in 5 minutes. Okay, guys, today we're gonna be doing fastest way to annoy red light, green light in Animal Company. What are you thinking, bro? Already started the video. Why am I doing this, you might say? Well, Sewers is my favorite map, and I like Sewers. And we are in. We're gonna annoy Mr. Red Light, Green Light, Monster. I think, bro, what are you talking about? See, you can only get on them. Oh my god.
What? There's handles.